What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of College Cooking Classics. As you all know, my name is Cliff, and today I'm joined by world-renowned chef Jordan Dempsey. Jordan, go ahead and tell our audience a little bit about yourself.
Thanks, Cliff. Hello, everyone. I am Jordan Dempsey. I have been cooking in restaurants all over America for over 10 years. I was an apprentice to Gordon Ramsay and Bobby Flay.
Cool, man.
And today we will be preparing palm aligot alongside some pesto gnocchi, along with a little light salad with a light vinaigrette, as well as
Actually, you know what I think we're gonna make? We're gonna make a garlic mac and cheeseburger.
I'm sorry, a what?
A garlic mac and cheeseburger.
You just pulled that out of your ass, didn't you?
No. Maybe. Anyways, the point is that I'm starving and yeah, that just sounds fucking amazing.
All right.
Alright, everybody, welcome back to the show. We are almost done finishing up our meal, and all that's left to do is just to let the bread finish cooking.
Cooking. You just put that thing in the toaster oven.
And that's our toast. It's all coming out the sides.
Alright, students, and that is how you make a garlic grilled mac and cheese burger. Alright, that's enough of this. I'm done. This is the last time I'll let my secretary do anything for me without my consultation. This is total unprofessionalism at its peak.
Alright, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you again to our special guest for today's show, Jordan Dempsey. Alright, everybody, later.